Okay, let's just do a quick refresher about how to do some linear regression in Minitab. Okay, you're going to go up to Stat, Regression, and Regression. Notice here that if I'm trying to do a prediction, it's currently grayed out. Okay, so I'm going to fit the regression model. In the response goes the y variable. In the predictor goes the x variable. If you're looking for residuals, then you'll click on Graphs, and you'll click residual versus the fit. So if you're looking for a residual plot, that's how to get it. Here's my residual plot. And of course, here is all of my regression information, including the ANOVA and the table. Okay, so that's how you can perform it. You should know what all of these things mean. If I want to get a confidence or a prediction interval, I'm going to go to Stat, Regression, Regression. Now notice after I have fit the model, now this predict is not grayed out any longer. Now I can do a prediction. If I'm trying to predict what y is, if x happens to be, I don't know, 70, for example, I'll go to Options. I want my confidence interval or my prediction interval to be 95% confident. And I can get my 95% confidence interval and my 95% prediction interval. Okay, so that's when I'm predicting an x or a y. I also wanted to remind you how to do this in Excel if you choose. Make sure you go to File, Options. You want add-ins. I'm going to manage these add-ins here, and I want to make sure that this analysis tool pack is checked off. It is here, so that's good. So I'll press OK, and I'll make sure to copy and paste my data into Excel. Okay, then under Data, if I've clicked off that analysis tool pack, I'll see this data analysis. I'm going to select the regression. Here, the y input is here. The x input here. I can say I want my confidence interval for the slope and the y-intercept to be anything I want, 95 or whatever. I could also get a picture of the residuals and things from here if I liked. I do also want to make sure that my labels are checked off, because I did include, when I was highlighting the data, I included the name x and the name y. Okay, so let's do, I don't know, a 99% interval. Okay, so here, let me just make sure this is all looking nice. Okay, so here, one thing that Excel does that Minitab doesn't is it gives you the confidence interval for the y-intercept. This is the 95% confidence interval for the y-intercept. And it also gave me, I asked for the 99% confidence interval, and it gives me that as well. Here, these are the confidence intervals for slope. So here's the 95% confidence interval for slope, and here is the 99% confidence interval for slope. On the bad side, I do not think that Excel does prediction and confidence intervals. So that's the bad side of Excel. The bad side of Minitab is it doesn't do confidence intervals for the slope and the y-intercept. So it does do the confidence intervals and the prediction intervals for y, but not the confidence intervals and for the y-intercept and for the slope.